Hi everyone, we're back to do some more Heggerty exercises today. All right, we're going to start with rhyming, and just like we did last time, I'm going to say two words. You're going to repeat the words. If they rhyme, you'll give me a thumbs up and say yes, they rhyme, or if they don't rhyme, thumbs down, no, they do not. All right, here we go. Tap, map. Those are rhyming. Fan, ran. Those are rhyming also. Yes, me. Not rhyming. Tag, bag. Rhyming. Not hot. Rhyming. We did. Not rhyming. My, you. Not rhyming. Get, met. Rhyming. 10 men. And rhyming. Nice job. All right, we're going to listen for beginning sounds. I will say the word, you repeat the word, and then together we'll say the beginning sound. Here we go. Bag. B. Gone. G. Move. M. Feet. F. Just. J. Kid. K. Down. D. Pie. P. Fox. F. Toys. T. Good job. Okay, let's make some compound words. I'll say the smaller words, you repeat them, and then we'll clap them together. Here we go. Rail, road. Railroad. Sun, glasses. Sunglasses. Life, saver. Lifesaver. Tree, house. Tree house. Rose, bush. Rose bush. Week, end. Weekend. Sun, light. Sunlight. Night, gown. Nightgown. Sidewalk. Sidewalk. Drum, stick. Drumstick. Good job. Here we go. Listening for ending sound now. I will say the word, you repeat the word, and together we'll make the ending sound. If. F. Hug. G. Age. J. Pick. K. Fell. L. Him. M. Ran. N. Drop. P. Less. S. 8. T. Good work. Okay, now we're going to segment words. So we'll clap the word, you'll repeat it, and then we'll break it into smaller parts. Here we go. Waterfall. Water, fall. Doorknob. Door, knob. Finger paint. Finger, paint. Footprint. Foot, print. Cookbook. Cook, book. Rainstorm. Rain, storm. Hairbrush. Hair, brush. Birdhouse. Bird, house. Wishbone. wish, bone, workbook, work, book. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to do some word substitution. I'm going to say the word, you'll repeat the word, and then we'll change the ending part to a different word. Here we go. The word is newsman. Change man to paper. Newspaper. The word is handmade. Change made to shake. Handshake. The word is fireworks. Change works to fly. Firefly. The word is Sunday. Change day to burn. Sunburn. The word is bluebird. Change bird to berry. Blueberry. Nice work. Okay, now we're going to start with a beginning word and we're going to add a word onto the end. Here we go. The word is every. Add where to the end. Everywhere. The word is head. Add ache to the end. Headache. The word is some. Add time to the end. Sometime. The word is snow. Add flake to the end. Snowflake. The word is play. Add thing to the end. Plaything. Good work. Okay. Now we're going to do some word deletion. So I'll say a word and then we'll remove the ending part to see what we're left with. Here we go. The word is somebody. Without body, the word is some. The word is snowsuit. Without suit, the word is snow. The word is playtime. Without time, the word is play. The word is everyone. Without one, the word is every. The word is headband. Without band, the word is head. Good job. All right, last exercise. We're counting words in a sentence. Here we go. Listen carefully. I like to count. 4 words. Are you a smart kid too? That was 6. I work hard at school. 5. Do you like to read? 5 again. Can you write your name? 5 also. Reading is fun. And that's 3. I can run fast. 4 words. Last one. Boy, am I smart. And that was 4. And you are smart. Doing a great job. Thanks for following along.